Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about the topic Unit 5 Basis of Classification in page number 17. Students, in this lesson we are learn about to understand the need of dichotomous classifications to classify animals according to their characteristics features, to know the classifications of animals and get the knowledge about invertebrates and vertebrates, to acquire knowledge about the classifications of plants, to know the importance of five kingdom classification, to understand the binomial nomenclature. Then we see various plants and animals around us. It is estimated that about 8.7 million species of living organisms have been identified and named till now. However, many scientists believe that only a small portion of the total species existing on the earth has been identified. Now, in order to know about the behavior and relationship among organisms that are known, biologists have classified them in two broad groups. They are plants and animals. Grouping of living organisms based on their common features is known as biological classifications. Students, list out the things found in your classrooms. They are chair, table, blackboard, chalk piece, cupboard, fan, light, switches, school bag, lunch box, textbook, notebook, water bottle, then pencil box, pencil, then etc. Find out the one common difference among these materials to classify above things into two, wooden or non-wooden. So students, classroom things are classified in two types. One wooden materials and another one is non-wooden materials. Then wooden materials is classified into two types. First one is writing materials, then second one is sitting materials. These writing materials are again divided in two types: fixed or foldable. Fixed are blackboard with wooden frame. Then foldables are pencil, wooden scale, color pencil, wooden scale, color pencil, eraser, book and notebook. Then sitting materials again classified into two types: with arm or second one is without arm. With arms chair, without arms table. Then non-wooden materials classified into two types. First one is writing materials, second one is sitting materials. This writing materials again divided into two types: one fixed or second one foldable. Fixed examples are blackboard or whiteboard. Then foldables pens, ruler, color pencil, pencil box, chalk pieces. Then sitting materials are other again classified in two types: with arm or without arm. Chair, iron or plastic. Table, iron or plastic. Features of dichotomous key. A single features that differentiate a group easily. One character selected to separate the group at present or absent. Continue the second step until only one item will remain at the end. Then dichotomy of animals. Using a dichotomy pattern, classify the given list of animals: ostrich, peacock, monkey, frog, turtle, snake, shark, goldfish, ant, tapeworm, earthworm and leech. So, presence of absence of backbone we can classify into two groups. They are classifications of animal into two groups. First one is vertebrates and second one invertebrates. Vertebrates means the organism backbone is present in the organisms called vertebrates. Then without backbone is called invertebrates organisms. Then vertebrates is again divided in two types: warm-blooded and cold-blooded. Warm-blooded is classified in two types: mammals and bats. Mammals examples are bear, tiger and whale. Then bats examples are ostrich, peacock and eagle. Then cold-blooded animals. Cold-blooded animals classified into three types. First one is fish, then second one is reptiles, third one is amphibians. Then for fish, salmon, goldfish and guppi. Then reptiles, turtle, crocodile and snake. Then amphibians examples are frog, toad and newt. Then invertebrates animals are classified into two types, with joint legs or without legs. With joint legs classified in two types, with 3 pairs of legs. Second one is with more than 3 pairs of legs.